Number 1. 1985 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,900, finished in its original beige paint and paired with a matching beige interior. This classic pickup proudly retains its factory look inside and out. Under the hood sits the reliable 305 small block V8 engine, mated to a 700R4 overdrive automatic transmission. The truck is equipped with power steering, power brakes, and cold air conditioning, making it not only a vintage head-turner but also a comfortable and enjoyable ride. The carburetor has just been completely rebuilt, ensuring smooth performance, and it has received extensive recent maintenance. This includes a new windshield, new wiper blades, for brand new tires, a new fuel pump, new spark plugs, new distributor rotor, new alternator and smog pump belts, a new thermostat, fresh coolant, and a fully serviced radiator. It also comes with the original owner's manual and some additional dealership paperwork. Number 2. 1995 Ford F250, price $8,799, reliable full-size truck with 155,000 original miles. It's powered by Ford's legendary 7.5L V8 OHV fuel-injected engine, one of the most dependable in Ford's lineup, paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The truck runs smooth and quiet, with a strong engine and a transmission that shifts perfectly. Originally owned by the movie industry and fleet maintained, it has a clean title with no accident history. The blue exterior and gray interior are in good condition, and it's equipped with power windows, power door locks, a working AC and heater, and a fresh set of 4 brand new tires. It comes with a current smog certificate and valid registration through July 2026. There are no check engine lights or warning indicators. Overall, this F250 is a clean, road-ready truck with proven reliability, ideal for both daily use and work. Number 3. 1996 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,800, showing only 115,000 original miles on the odometer. Powered by the durable 5.7L V8 Vortec engine paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission, it offers strong and dependable performance whether for work or weekend hauling. The truck is equipped with a Dana 60 rear axle with 3.73 gear ratio, rear helper airbags, and has an impressive towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds, along with a maximum payload capacity of 4,000 pounds, making it ideal for towing trailers, equipment, or heavy loads. Fuel economy is respectable for a vehicle of its class, averaging around 12 mpg in the city and up to 18 mpg on the highway. Additional features include ice-cold air conditioning, power windows, power door locks, tinted glass, and a tilt steering wheel for added comfort and convenience. It also comes with a tow package already installed. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1972 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, well-kept classic truck with just 75,000 miles. It's powered by a strong 350 V8 engine with a newer Edelbrock carburetor and paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission that shifts smoothly. Factory power steering and power disc brakes make it easy to drive, while recent updates include a new mechanical fuel pump and high-pressure power steering lines. The truck rides on brand new all-terrain tires with 15x8 rally rims and beauty rings that complement the chrome bumpers. Heavy-duty leaf springs allow the bed to handle full loads with no problem. The body has been fully gone through. Rockers, cab corners, and floor are rust-free. Mirror holes have been filled, and drip tray mirrors installed. Inside, it features a redone seat, vinyl flooring, and retractable lap belts for added safety. Number 5. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, showing no signs of rust and boasting a clean red exterior with a gray interior. It runs perfectly with no mechanical issues and has a clean title. The truck is equipped with a manual transmission and has 140,000 original miles. It runs on gasoline and is being sold only because the current owner no longer uses it. The vehicle passed a smog test last year and is ready for the road, although it will need new tires soon. The windshield has a crack, and the seat has a tear, which is currently covered by a seat cover. Despite these minor cosmetic issues, the truck remains a solid, dependable ride. Additional features include automatic windows and locks, working air conditioning that just needs a recharge, and no check engine light present. A number of new parts have recently been installed, including a new radiator, battery, bed liner, emblems and trim, grille, headlights, mirrors, taillights, and bumper. Number 6. 1978 Ford F150, price $10,000. It's powered by a strong-running V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. offering solid performance on and off the road. The truck features a striking red exterior that's matched by a red interior, giving it a bold, cohesive look that turns heads wherever it goes. While the truck runs, drives, and shifts properly, like any vehicle of its age, it could benefit from some mechanical and cosmetic TLC to truly shine. The interior shows signs of wear and will need some work to restore its original character and comfort. However, the foundation is solid, and it presents a great opportunity for a light restoration or weekend project. This classic F-150 comes with a clean Arkansas title in hand, making it ready for transfer to a new owner. Number 7. 1973 Ford F-150, price $8,000, classic pickup with 150,000 miles, a manual transmission, a gray exterior, and a turquoise interior. It's powered by a strong 390 FE V8 engine, showing 70 pounds of oil pressure on cold start and 19 inches of vacuum at idle. The truck has received many new parts: carburetor, intake, valve covers, timing set, fuel pump, spark plugs and wires, Pertronix ignition, valve train, camshaft, fuel sender, exhaust system, and more. It rides on new wheels and tires, with new locking hubs and front drum brakes. Inside, it has new carpet, dash cover, sound insulation, and a new windshield. While two original gauges don't work, auxiliary gauges show oil pressure, voltage, and temperature. A great example of a well-kept vintage truck that's only going up in value. Number 8. 1982 GMC 1500, price $8,500, reliable classic truck with approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer. It features a smooth-shifting automatic TH350 transmission paired with a dependable Goodwrench 350 V8 engine, delivering strong performance both on and off the road. The 4x4 system works well, making it a great option for various terrains. Finished in a classic brown exterior, this truck rides on aggressive 33-inch tires, giving it a bold stance. It runs and drives great, offering a blend of vintage charm and rugged capability. Powered by gasoline, this GMC remains a capable and functional piece of American truck history. Number 9. 1985 Dodge D150, price $3,300, classic pickup with 104,000 miles on the odometer. It features a red exterior and matching red interior, giving it a striking, vintage look. Powered by a strong 360 V8 engine and paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, this truck runs and drives well. It comes with several convenient features, including power windows, power door locks, and a tow package, making it both functional and comfortable. The vehicle runs on gasoline and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The seller has a clean title in hand, and the registration is valid until October 2025. Number 10. 1976 Chevrolet K10, price $3,900, classic 4x4 pickup that combines rugged performance with vintage charm. It is powered by a reliable 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and currently shows 90,000 miles on the odometer. The truck runs and drives well, making it a solid choice for both collectors and enthusiasts alike. Finished in a white exterior with a brown interior, it carries a timeless look that captures the era perfectly. While there is some rust present in the floorboards, the overall condition remains respectable for its age. This vehicle runs on gasoline and comes with a clean Arizona title registered in the current owner's name.